In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Assassin's Creed Origins not launching. So now the thing you want to try first is to open Steam and open the game. So here you'll find it in library. So I'll do this for this game, follow same steps for Assassin's Creed. Right click on Assassin's Creed and then go to properties, and then over here go to install files and then browse. So you'll see Assassin's Creed.exe, run and right click and then properties and then compatibility, then enable these options, then click apply and then OK. After that you want to go here and make sure you have Steam settings, then downloads, and then clear cache. After clearing cache, go to storage here and then click at the three dots and then repair library. Once you have this done, you want to close this down and then close down Steam, just shut it down. Then go to task manager and do the same thing, just shut down Steam or Assassin's Creed, just right click and then end task. If you find it here, you can even search for it. So next thing you want to do, go to device manager and then display adapters and make sure you have update your drivers to the latest version. So make sure you're always updating to the latest version. Click next to update. You can also update by going here and typing NVIDIA. So if you have NVIDIA, you'll have this option to update the drivers. Click download. If you have AMD, then you will have to use an AMD software if you do have it. Next, this will fix the issue, but I recommend to restart your computer and this should fix it better.